So here's the latest buy in the crusty fleet. There's all the parts out of the inside of the car. Which isn't great. But this is it. It's a VK Commodore with it was a factory manual. There's no motor and box. The tags are missing. I think here where it says BVK, I think that means Berliner, because right there it says Berlin. And the door trims and the tail lights are Berliner style. She's pretty hammered, but there's not many good parts of it. Missing the passenger doors. Got the driver's doors. I've just clicked them on there. They haven't got the pins in them. And I put these rally wheels on the back, which dish out. Like Chevy rally wheels. Yeah, they're out a bit too much, but yeah. And then we're towing it home. We had it on the trailer backwards, and I'd tied the boot down to a rope that was already there, but the rope wasn't tied to anything, so the boot blew up and just made a mess of the hinges. I've fixed them, and they were bent. Well, they were bent in. I've got to get those rods back in, like the lift rods, which I've never done before. This boot came with the car. The original boot here has holes in it, but it's not too bad. Like, I can fix this, rod the holes up and whatever. And I've just sort of started throwing things on it, like the bumpers are sitting there and the tail lights are just chucked in. I got this that didn't have any glass. I got this rear screen for $50, and the best part about it is the rubber. This glass itself's a bit damaged in the corner. I think somebody's mowed the lawn, not sandblasted the corner, because this was sitting in the guy's garden. But the car itself, where they rust here and around the back window, is really good. So pretty stoked with it. I mean, it's missing a lot of bits, like pretty much everything. But I just chucked these seats in. Started figuring out how to put the dash back together. I've agreed to buy a gearbox just before, but it was for a 6, so probably going to bail on that. Oh yeah, and the diff, because it's pretty sure it's a factory V8, because it's got a disc brake LSD Salisbury in it. I had it up and I spun the wheel, and it's LSD. So yeah, the guy said it had a 253 in it. So it might have been a 253 factory. I don't know. Not sure if you can tell by the VIN. With the tags missing. Anyway, that's the new car. It's becoming friends with the XE. The Morrises are all gone. I've sold all them, so there'll be no more Morris videos. And I can't believe it, but I've got a VK.